Want to use your Xiaomi robot vacuum E5 to mop your floors? In this 2025 step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to set up the mopping function easily and quickly. Step 1. Attach the mop cloth. Take the mopping pad and attach it to the water tank module. Make sure the cloth is evenly placed to avoid streaks. Step 2. Fill the water tank. Remove the tank, open the rubber cap, and fill it with clean water. No detergent unless your manual allows it. Step 3. Install the water tank. Slide the water tank with the attached mop into the bottom of the vacuum until it clicks in place. Step 4. Open the Mi Home app. On your phone, open the Mi Home app, connect to your vacuum, and choose a mopping mode like Standard or Deep. Step 5. Start cleaning. Tap Start in the app and let the robot do the work. Avoid rugs or carpets while in mopping mode. Bonus tip. Clean the mop cloth after each use and refill the water tank to prevent odors or stains. That's it. Your Xiaomi E5 is now ready to mop like a pro. Follow for more smart home tutorials.